Okay, hello students. Welcome to the virtual class. This is me, your assistant teacher, Sangmo ma'am. Children, let us continue with the same lesson, that is lesson 6, clothing we use. Alright. So in our previous class, we learned about the different types of clothes, right, we wear. Alright, and we learned that different types of clothes protect us from different features like from heat, cold, wind, rain and dust, right? And they give us a special appearance and they make us look smart and pleasing. All right, and we learned that we wear different types of clothes in different types of seasons, right? So in today's class, what we will learn is we will learn about different types of clothes that we wear in different seasons. All right, first we will read and we will underline the difficult words, and I will explain it to you. First one, let us begin with the chapter that is on page number 6. Turn to page number 6. Be ready with your pencil and book. All right, so cotton clothes are light, they keep our body cool. We wear these clothes in summer. Woolen clothes keep the body warm. We wear these types of clothes in winter. We need waterproof clothes when it rains. Waterproof clothes, here you make CLOTHES. Okay, spelling is wrong. CLOTHS, it's written CLOTHS. Please make CLOTHES, clothes. Okay, waterproof clothes are synthetic clothes. Raincoats, umbrellas, and gumboots protect us from rains. We also use silk clothes. Silk comes from the silkworm's cocoon. Alright, so here, cotton clothes, underline the word cotton, underline the word clothes, are light, they keep our body cool. We wear these clothes in summer. Underline the word cool, underline the word summer. So here what it is written or what it is said is that we wear cotton clothes when we wear cotton clothes during summer season, right? And what do the cotton, when we wear cotton clothes, how do we feel? We feel cool, right? We feel that our body remains cool, right? When we wear cotton clothes, we feel cool, right? And we wear this cotton clothes during summer season. And what are the clothes that we wear during summer seasons? The clothes like t-shirts, right? The clothes that is made up of cotton, right? Like t-shirts, like cotton t-shirts, cotton half pants, cotton dresses. So when we wear this cotton clothes, we feel cool, right children? So we don't feel hot, right? So this thing in Hindi, it means what? हम लोग कब गर्मी के सीजन पे, समर सीजन मीन्स गर्मी के सीजन, राइट? तो गर्मी के सीजन पे हम लोग क्या पहनते हैं? कॉटन का क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. और वो कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्या करते हैं हम लोग को? जब हम लोग कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं तो हम लोग क्या होते हैं, हमारे बॉडी क्या कैसे होते हैं? कूल. कूल मीन्स व्हाट? शीतल. हमारे बॉडी को क्या मिलते हैं? शीतल मिलते हैं. ऑलराइट, तो व्हेन वी सो वी वेयर दिस कॉटन क्लोथ्स और लाइट क्लोथ्स. लाइट क्लोथ्स का मतलब है हल्का जो कपड़ा. तो हम लोग ऐसे हल्का कपड़ा, कॉटन से बना हुआ कपड़ा कब पहनते हैं? समर सीजन्स पे, क्योंकि समर सीजन्स के टाइम पे क्या होता है? बहुत गर्मी होता है, राइट? सो वी डोंट वेयर वार्म क्लोथ्स और वुलन क्लोथ्स ड्यूरिंग समर. तो गर्मी के सीजन पे हमारे बॉडी को शीतल रखने के लिए, कूल रखने के लिए, ऑलराइट, तो हम लोग क्या पहनते हैं? लाइट क्लोथ्स और कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? वुलन क्लोथ्स. अंडरलाइन वुलन क्लोथ्स keep the body warm. Underline warm. We wear these types of clothes in winter. Alright, so when do we wear woolen clothes? Woolen clothes means the clothes that keep our body warm. Warm ka matlab garam. Alright. Like those type of clothes which keeps our body warm are called woolen clothes. Alright. And this type of clothes, when do we wear? We wear this type of clothes during winter seasons. Alright. So the winter season, it's the during the winter season we feel very cold, right? The temperature or the like during winter, the climatic condition or the temperature is very cold. So at that time we need to keep our body warm. That's why we wear what? Woolen clothes, right? So woolen clothes are the clothes that keeps our body warm. All right. So ये गर्मी लाइक सर्दी के मौसम पे हम लोग क्या पहनते हैं? गर्मी का कपड़ा. ऑलराइट. सो वो गर्मी का कपड़ा को क्या बोलते हैं? वुलन क्लोथ्स. ऑलराइट. और ऊनी का कपड़े को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वुलन क्लोथ्स. तो ये जो ऊनी का कपड़ा है कब हम लोग पहनते हैं? सर्दी के मौसम पे, सर्दी के सीजन पे. विंटर, दैट इज कॉल्ड विंटर. ऑलराइट, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड विंटर. क्योंकि सर्दी के सीजन पे बहुत ठंड होता है. उस टाइम ठंड में हम लोग को हमारी बॉडी को क्या करना है? वार्म रखना पड़ता है. तो वार्म रखने के लिए कैसा क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं हम लोग? वुलन क्लोथ. जो ऊनी के कपड़े होते हैं वैसे पहनते हैं. ऑलराइट. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी नीड waterproof clothes when it rains. Underline waterproof. Underline rains. We need waterproof clothes when it rains. Waterproof clothes are synthetic clothes. Underline synthetic. Raincoats, umbrellas and gum boots protect us from rains. Alright. So when it rains, alright, when during the monsoon season or the rainy season, what type of clothes do we wear? We wear waterproof clothes or waterproof jackets and clothes. Okay. So wearing waterproof clothes, what happens? It protects us from the rain. Rain does not enter through that waterproof clothes. All right. And those waterproof clothes are made from what? Synthetic fibers. All right. So that synthetic clothes or the synthetic fibers are what? Those synthetic fibers are the clothes which are specially light and keep us warmer. All right. And those type of waterproof clothes are what? Raincoats, umbrellas and gum boots. These are the waterproof clothes. It protects us from rains. Those type of waterproof clothes protect us from rain. Underline the word raincoat, underline umbrellas and underline gum boots. All right. Protect means क्या करना? सुरक्षित करना. All right. फ्रॉम रेन. रेन का मतलब बारिश से. सो वेयरिंग, जब बारिश के मौसम जब होता है उस टाइम हम लोग कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? हम लोग वाटरप्रूफ कपड़े पहनते हैं. क्योंकि वाटरप्रूफ कपड़े किससे बनते हैं? सिंथेटिक फाइबर से बनते हैं. ऑलराइट. एंड ये वाटरप्रूफ कपड़े पहनने से ये जो पानी होता है बारिश के टाइम पे, मौसम के लाइक रेनी सीजन के टाइम पे जब रेनफॉल होता है, वो रेन और वाटर क्या करते हैं? हमारे बॉडी के अंदर वाटरप्रूफ क्या करते हैं? प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. वो हमारे बॉडी के लाइक अंदर पे नहीं जा सकते हैं. जैसे कि रेन कोट पहनने से इट प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम वाटर. ओके. अम्ब्रेलाज, gum boots, these all things are the waterproof clothes that we have to use during rainy season or during monsoon season. All right. And after that is we also use silk clothes. Silk comes from the silkworm's cocoon. Underline silkworm, underline cocoon, underline silk clothes. Okay. So sometimes we wear silk clothes, like especially the girls, right? So what do the ladies they wear? They wear silk sarees and all. So those silk sarees, it keeps us, when we wear silk clothes and all, when we wear silk sarees, we look smart and pleasing, right? We get a smart or special appearance, right? So this silk clothes, what does silk clothes means? Silk clothes are the clothes made from silk. All right. And that silk, from where does it comes? It comes from silkworm's cocoon. सो ये सिल्क क्लॉथ्स क्या है? ये रेशमी के कपड़े हैं. ऑलराइट. तो ये रेशमी के कपड़े हम लोग कोई बार पहनते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि साड़ीज़ होता है, सिल्क का साड़ीज़, सिल्क कर्टन्स एंड ऑल. तो ये सब होता है, राइट? सिल्क शॉर्ट्स एंड ऑल. लाइक ये सिल्क कहाँ से आते हैं? सिल्कवॉर्म कुकून से. ओके. सिल्क मतलब रेशम. कहाँ से आते हैं? सिल्कवॉर्म कुकून से. सिल्कवॉर्म कुकून मीन्स रेशमी का कीड़ा होता है, उससे ये सिल्क आते हैं और ये सिल्क से क्या बनाते हैं? सिल्क का कपड़ा बनाते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर चिल्ड्रन. Right. So what we learned, let us quickly revise. So what we learned is we learned that during summer season we wear cotton clothes, and those cotton clothes are light, so it keeps our body cool, right? And when we wear winter, during winter season we wear warm clothes and those woolen clothes, and those woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Okay, and during rainy season or the monsoon season we wear what type of clothes? Waterproof clothes, because wearing putting or wearing that waterproof clothes, it protects us from rain. Like for example, raincoats, umbrellas, gumboots, these all synthetic clothes or waterproof clothes. It protects our body from rain, right? And sometimes we even do wear silk clothes, and those silk clothes, it comes from what? It is made from silk, and that silk comes from silkworm's cocoon. All right. I hope by now you all know what the silkworm's cocoon means, right? Okay, children, I want you all to underline these difficult words, all right? And please learn the spellings correctly, all right? Learn the spellings, underline the spellings, and learn this spellings correctly. Learn it and write it in your copy as well, all right, children? So, please go through the chapter, all right, and try to understand it. We will continue with this lesson in our next class. Okay, just mark it till here, till cocoon. So we will continue with the lesson in our next class. By the until then, I want you all to study well. Okay, stay safe. Thank you.